Hey everybody, Matthew Jensen, Utah Public Adjusters. Wanted to reach out to you today with another post about declarations pages today. What is a declarations page? A declarations page is generally found at the beginning of the policy. It's not part of the policy, but it does outline a lot of the details of the policy. It outlines the limits for your policy, for your dwelling, for your contents, for your other structures, for your additional living expenses. And it outlines other coverages, such as if it's an RCV policy or a replacement cost policy or an actual cash value policy. Those things are very important in determining if they're going to or how they're going to settle the claim. Other things that it may have in there is code compliance or code upgrade. It may have depreciation schedules. It may have a lot of different things that are pertinent and important in settling the claim. Again, it's generally not technically part of the policy, but it is an important part as it tells us those limits. Other things you might be able to tell from the declarations page is if your home is properly insured, that dwelling limit is going to be an important number because you need to have enough insurance to cover generally 80% of your home if it was to be completely destroyed. And we'll go into co-insurance and other things on another post. Declarations page helps us navigate the policy. Doesn't always include everything that we need in there. There are other coverages that are not always included in the declarations page, such as debris removal. Say your home was completely destroyed in a fire and you had to tear the whole thing down. Well, your policy may say $500,000, and it doesn't have everything that you need in there because the debris removal sometimes is an additional coverage that is not listed on the declarations page. For example, the home was burned down, had to tear it down. There was an additional 10% that was included in the policy, but it's not listed in the declarations pages. So you would have another $50,000 that you could add on top of that claim that the insurance company doesn't want to tell you about. And so they're going to hold back that $50,000. So read through your policy, make sure that you understand it. If you have a hard time understanding it, feel free to give us a call, get another insurance professional on your side to read through that policy and just make sure that you've got all the coverages that are allotted to you. There may be additional coverages for trees. There may be additional coverages for landscaping. There may be additional coverages that the insurance company on their own isn't going to tell you about. You've got to read through the policy, make sure that you understand it. I'm going to tell you that most insurance adjusters probably have never read your policy, and they're working off of basic general knowledge that they've been told over the years. So, understanding your policy, understanding what's owed to you, is essential to get a fair and honest settlement. So, again, read through your declarations page, read through your policy. If you have questions, give us a call. Thanks.